median.com.
Next question, also for finding the median, but there is a slight difference. For instead of original frequency, we are given cumulative frequency in the question. So, we have to find the original frequency from the given cumulative frequencies. That is the difference in the question. So, the question is, a survey regarding the heights, a survey regarding the heights in centimeter of 51 girls of class 10 of a school was conducted, and the following data was obtained. Was conducted and the following data was obtained. Find the median height. Height in centimeter. Number of girls. Less than 140. Less than 145. Less than 150. Less than 155. Less than 160. Less than 165. Number of girls 4, 11, 29. 40, 46, 51. This is the given question. So, we have to convert this into original frequency and original class interval. Now, we are writing the class interval. The first class interval is below 140. Below 140. Next is between 140 and 145. 140, 145 means 140 and above but below 145. 140 and above but below 145. Next is 145, 150. The meaning is 145 and above but below 150. Next is 150, 155 means 150 and above but below 155. 155, 160. 160, 165 means 160 and above but below 165. Below 140 there are only 4 girls, that is frequency. Frequency is 4 itself. Less than 145, it is 11 girls means total number of girls having a height less than 145. Total number of girls is given to be 11. Here we have to find the number of girls between 140 and 145. That means 140 and above but below 145. There are 4 girls having height below 140. Here we need only 140 and above. So we have to subtract the 4 girls from 11, which is equal to 7. And here we need only girls having height 145 and above but below 150. Here the total number of girls having less than 150 centimeter height is 29. So we have to subtract this 11 from 29, which is equal to 18. Similarly, here we have to subtract 29 from 40, which is 11. And here subtract 46 minus 40, which is equal to 6, and 51 minus 46, which is 5. Here we are getting the original class interval and the original frequency we are getting. It was given the cumulative frequency and the original frequency and the original class interval we obtained from the given data. Next is cumulative frequency. It is given in the question, cumulative frequency 4, 11, 29, 4, 11, 29, 40, 46 and 51. This is the cumulative frequency. Now we have to find n by 2. N is equal to 51. Therefore, n by 2 is equal to 51 by 2, which is 25.5. Now find the cumulative frequency, which is just greater than 25.5, that is 29. 29 is the frequency which is just greater than 25.5. Therefore, the cumulative frequency 29, and therefore 145, 150 is the median class. Median class is equal to 145, 150. Median class is equal to 145, 150. Now, L, lower limit of the median class, L is equal to 145, n by 2 is equal to 25.5, cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class, that is 11. Cumulative frequency is equal to 11. Then F means frequency of the median class. Frequency of the median class is 18. F is equal to 18. Now H, size of the class, H is equal to 5. Difference between 145 minus 140, which is equal to 5. Now write the formula for finding median and give the values. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus cumulative frequency, the whole divided by F into H. Giving values, L, the value of L is 145 plus n by 2, which is equal to 25.5, minus cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency is 11 divided by F, frequency is 18, into size of the class is 5, which is equal to 145 plus 25.5 minus 11 is equal to 14.5 into 5 divided by 18. Multiplying 5 5s are 25, 22, 7, 72.5 by 18, which is equal to median is equal to 145 plus dividing 72.5 by 18. 18 4s are 72, decimal 550, 18 3s are 54, 4.3. Which is equal to 149.3 is the median. Median height of girls is equal to 149.3, median height. 149.3 centimeter is the median height.